My name is Lonnie Higgy. I am the auto collision instructor here at the Parma City School District, and I'm here today to tell you what we do in this program. In this program, we have 4 courses that we teach: painting, refinishing, structural of the vehicle, non-structural, mechanical, and electrical. Some of the cool things that we have going on right now is we have a brand new spray booth over here. And in the spray booth, we have the capability of painting and then baking our paint, which is the more up-to-date new technology for our clear coats. On the side of this, over here, we have our actual mixing room. This mixing room is going to be outfitted with the latest technology on waterborne paints, which is great for our environment. It doesn't have any pollution like some of the older paints that we have, so this is actually pretty cool. So what we do in lab, things that we do in lab is juniors will start off doing their practice on their panels, doing their fenders. They're going to do small dent repair. They're going to take it all the way through primer, paint, base coat, clear coat, buff, wax, and make it all look really pretty. Over here we can see with some of the golf carts, we have a golf cart over here, one on the other side, a few more coming after camping season is over. And the seniors are actually going to customize these. They're going to put lift kits on them. They're going to learn the electrical just like on a car. They're going to do front end alignments just like on a car. And then of course they're going to do all the body work. Some of these are going to be made into look like an Ohio State football team, which is going to be really cool. Here we have our frame machine. We can do frames, we can do unibodies, we can straighten pretty much anything. And then on the other side over here, we have some of our practice vehicles that we use. These are school vehicles. We use these to learn how to do interiors, take door panels off, take front ends off, put them back together, and make sure we have the body alignments and all of that stuff done. Over here, this car over here is actually going to be made into a different color. Going to do a color change to match one of our schools, one of our high schools. So that's an actually pretty cool project that they're going to do. And here we are in our classroom now. And some of the cool things that we do up here is we actually have virtual reality painting. This little computer and this little virtuality is actually going to teach you how to go ahead and paint. So you can practice on this. It's actually a lot of fun. The kids really like this. Things that we also do in here is we actually have our curriculum. Everything that we do is based on iCar. iCar is the insurance side of the business. So moms and dads out there, guardians, if you have Nationwide, Grange, Geico, State Farm, this is the standard that they all use in the body shop industry. And then lastly, the other thing that we like is we like to compete against all the other career tech schools out there. And that's Skills USA. You can Google it and look it up. We will compete, some of them students that actually can do this good, will compete in refinishing, we're going to compete in dent repair, and we're also going to compete in computer estimating. So that's a brief visit here, and I hope to see you all here in the auto collision program.